What if one company could provide the critical equipment for building infrastructure all around the world? United Rentals is leading the way in construction and industrial equipment rentals. In this video, we'll dive into the world of United Rentals, a global leader in construction and industrial equipment rentals. First, we'll explore the company's history, mission, and vision. We'll discuss their financials, leadership under Matthew Flannery, and the exciting growth potential ahead. Next, we'll look into the company's efforts in sustainability, the innovative products they offer, and their strong position in the market. Founded in 1997, United Rentals is North America's largest equipment rental company, providing rental solutions for the construction, industrial, and infrastructure sectors. Mission: to provide world-class equipment rental solutions that help our customers build a better future. Vision: to be the first choice for customers looking for high-quality, reliable, and sustainable rental equipment. United Rentals revenue reached $10.3 billion in 2022, with a market capitalization of $30.7 billion. The company has demonstrated solid profitability with impressive margins. Matthew J. Flannery leads United Rentals with a customer-focused approach and a commitment to operational excellence. United Rentals is targeting expansion into new global markets with projected revenue growth of 5 to 7% annually. United Rentals is committed to reducing its environmental footprint with initiatives to promote green energy solutions and reduce waste in its operations. United Rentals offers a wide range of construction and industrial equipment, including excavators, forklifts, and air compressors. United Rentals is the market leader in equipment rental, with a commanding share in North America and expanding international presence. Customers appreciate United Rentals' large fleet and reliable customer service for complex projects. Investors have confidence in United Rentals due to its strong financials and leadership in the equipment rental industry. Economic downturns and shifts in construction activity could impact demand for rental equipment. United Rentals' innovative rental solutions and customer-centric service set them apart in a competitive market. For more updates on industry leaders like United Rentals, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Is United Rentals a solid investment for the future? Weighing the risks and rewards, United Rentals offers strong growth potential and a solid market position.